When you are in the market for a new vehicle, deciding what type of body steel you want can be difficult. Do you choose a smaller sedan that might get higher fuel efficiency ratings, or do you choose an SUV or truck model that offers more off-road capabilities and hauling power? Depending on your needs, it can be a tough choice. There are many reasons to choose a truck model for your next vehicle purchase. From their enhanced utility, more power under the hood, and incredible capability in less than ideal driving conditions, trucks provide many benefits for their owners. And with advanced technologies, many new trucks offer impressive fuel efficiency numbers, helping you save time and money at the pump. Trucks are very versatile, allowing you to transport just about anything you need. Whether you need to use the truck bed to haul smaller furniture items or need a fully capable truck that can tow a trailer or camper, trucks made it easy to load up whatever you need and hit the road with ease. Trucks are typically much safer than a compact car model. The body of most trucks is made with a durable, high-strength metal that helps keep you extra safe in an accident. Additionally, pickup trucks sit higher than many other vehicle models, giving you a better view of the road around you. Driving in inclement weather is safer when you are behind the wheel of a truck. They offer more ground clearance and are typically heavier than small cars, making them easier to handle through snow, sleet, or dirt. One major advantage of owning a pickup truck is its sheer size and strength. Weighing up to an average of 7,000 pounds compared to 3,300 pounds of a sedan, pickup trucks are less likely to face serious damage in roadside accidents. Beyond just physical strength, pickup truck engines are known to be much more powerful than the average car. All aspects of a pickup, including its wheels, axles, shock absorber, etc., contribute to its overall strength. Heavy-duty pickup truck can generate up to as much as 450 horsepower and 1,000 pound-ft of torque, allowing them to carry bigger and heavier loads. With that kind of strength, it's no surprise that pickup trucks come with nicknames like Roadkill and Beast. In recent years, safety and protective features have become a focus in truck manufacturing. Modern-day trucks, therefore, have the benefit of advanced safety features such as smart braking technology, increased passive safety measures, and stability control systems in order to ensure the drivers and passengers are protected at all times. The pickup is also built to be robust and sturdy. Its durability gives it a physical protective advantage in addition to all of the modern-day vehicular safety features, ensuring minimal damage in the case of an accident. Thanks for watching. Until next time.